How to change your Etsy language. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on Etsy.com easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simply go to Etsy.com, and this is the home page. As you can see right now I have the English language, but all what you have to do to change the language, just scroll down like this all the way down until you find this option right here. Now click on it and it will take you here. Go to language and choose any language you want from here. You have many options: Espanol, French, Italiano, Netherlands, and many other. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.